the three bodies are changing. I am unchanging. And therefore this Atma is called Nirvikar or immutable. It is not changing. When you were 3-year-old or 4-year-old, you must be remembering, and you are now, your physical body has changed, your subtle body has changed, maybe causal body has changed, but this self, Atma, has not changed. Balyadishu jagradadishu chatha sarvasu avasthaswapi. So that has not changed. I hope you are getting my point. Well, but I have changed a lot. No, your mind has changed. If you remember some of the incident, small child when you were there, some incident, I also remember many incident. So I also remember some incident was there. So when I was 3-year-old or 4-year-old, so many years have passed. So many years have passed. Atma is same. Atma is same. So, we had to go to school. Like buses come, rickshaw was there for us. I don't know rickshaw you're understanding or not. That trolley rickshaw was there, in which many students can sit together. So there was 2 planks were there. So I still remember first day of my school, I was sent to the school. Before class 1, KG I think it is. So that rickshaw and the rickshaw person, his name was Buddhu. So we used to have a steep climb. So he used to ask us all get down. Because he had to pull the rickshaw like this. It's a manual rickshaw. And then you asked to push also. Till that steep slope was there. So we used to push it also. We were all small 4-year-old children. But I still remember, and after that slope was over, then used to say, come and sit back. Then again we used to sit down. Again used to do it manually. Acha? We used to have a school dress. School dress was there. Then you go to the school. Then teacher was there. Keep quiet. Put your finger on your lips. So this Christian school was there. And if you laugh, then you giggle. You can giggle while putting finger also. So I still remember that. Yaad aati kabhi kabhi aise. Something which you cannot get now, you miss sometimes. And on Saturday, it was half day. So Saturday used to come back, and sometimes he was late, this rickshaw person. So used to go to one park in which lot of tamarind trees were there. Tamarind trees. So we used to throw the stone and get the tamarind. The joy of stealing and eating is uncomparable. You cannot match with after purchasing. So we used to throw and then take the tamarind and eat like that. It was Saturday. Half day was there. So 9 to 12 was that. Otherwise it was 9 to 3. That particular boy at that time was this big at that time. And this Swamiji sitting at that time. Gross body, of course, has changed. Subtle body, I think, should change. Otherwise, they will say, still is childish. Causal body, some scar has changed. But at that time, that consciousness which was there, and at this time, that consciousness which is seen, that has not changed. If this has changed, who will remember that I had changed? To record an incident, you have to be there. Same has to be here and there also. Therefore, this drishta has not been affected by the GB, SB and CB. And therefore, it is nirvikar. Gita will say, achedyoyam adhyoyam akledyo shoshevach. Acha, we have never thought like that. Arey, keep on thinking. Third point, no? Fourth point. Acha, first was consciousness. Second is drishta. The third is? No, it is different than three. And fourth is it is nirvikar. Fifth point. If some point, third, fourth, you can understand. Fifth point, what is there? Fifth point is there. It is nitya. It is eternal. Hanji. Why? Here they don't say hanji. But in India, if you go, these words I miss here. Hanji? So hanji means what you are saying? Why eternal? All changes are in 5 elements, gross and subtle form. देखो क्या बात है. Your body has changed and it will change more. If you see my photograph 10 years back, photograph is there. Sometimes they put the old picture in the new flyer. हाँ, ऐसा हो जाता है. So the people who are seeing, so sometimes some people bring the flyer also in the first day of the yajna. क्या करें भाई, एड्रेस वगैरह देखने के लिए, they are new. So they compare like this. So gross body, I understand that he's comparing. And when I got sannyas, so they shaved the whole hairs, etc. So I was in Singapore, so I went to immigration. So in the passport, the photograph was with lot of beard. I had this long hair and beard was there. So when he saw me, he was so puzzled. But Guruji said, see, this problem may come, so get a letter from CCMT that this is the procedure of renunciation and therefore shaving. So he saw like that. Totally confused. Then he called another person. Then both were seeing me. It was such a funny sight. And comparing, then they compared the nose, eyes, etc. They have their own ways. But I was enjoying so much their confusion. God's body has changed. It will change. Anything belonging to 5 elements, Bolina, will change. Your house has changed. World has changed. Oceans have changed. Marine life has changed. Environment has changed. Sun has changed, my dear. The orb of the sun is more expanded now. Earth has changed. Anything in the subtle body constituting of the subtle 5 elements will also change. Mind has changed. Changing all the time. People say, also have changed my mind. I thought I will not take kheer. But I have changed my mind seeing the kheer. This is from next time. Why? I have changed my mind. Acha, samskars have changed. I was not having a samskar of likes for somebody. Now I have. I am not having samskar of dislike for somebody. Now I have. All 3 will change. Please get my mind. Anything which does not change, it won't die. It is not falling in the bracket of time. What is the meaning of death? Death means something changes, losing. Because dissociation of the gross body with the subtle body is death. You have heard that. Dissociation of the GB and SB is death. Death means body is there. There is no possessor of the body. Subtle body has gone now. So we will say the person is now quiet, शांत हो गया, पहले बहुत अशांत थे. So he is no more. Which is not in subtle body and which is not in gross body, he can never die. Which is not in the five element, he cannot change. Because time operates in these three areas only. And therefore, this Atma will be Nitya, eternal. That means I was not born. Exactly. This is what it is said in Gita, I am not born. Yes. I think I am understanding it. Okay. Thank you. Next point. You don't forget, these are all very solid points about Atma. If you are not understanding, never mind. Don't get very mad, I am not understanding. Next point. Well, how many points are there? I also don't know. I am just continuing. I just keep on going. What thoughts are coming in that flow, accordingly we will see new points. Next point. Please note, this drishta or consciousness will have shape or not. It won't have shape. Because if it has shape, it will again form in one of the gross element. No, it is shape. If it is shape is all either of the gross element. What is the shape of India? You put some in the earth, you put some map. This is the shape. Which is not in the five element, it won't have a shape. Achha, thought also has a shape, by the way. Thought also has a shape. Yes, because one thought is different than another thought. If two things are there, it will have a shape. Oh. But you don't say, my mind is not in a good shape. Of course, body is not. But my mind is not in a good shape. That means I'm disturbed slightly. Use such term. His financial shape is not okay. I'm not in a good financial shape. So mind is not in a good shape. Mind also has a shape. So that drishta will not have a shape. Then what? Very big conclusion is there. If drishta does not have a shape, that means it is all pervading. Because shape is called limitation of something. What? This book has a shape. You can limit something only by the shape. This country has this shape. In South Africa, I think it is at the bottom of Africa. It has this shape like this. Like this it has a shape. Like this it has a shape. Durban is somewhere here, from my side. Somewhere here is there. Durban is there. Achha? It has this shape is there. India is like this. Like this it is there, like this. Bottom is there. US, if you say, US has this shape. It's flat from the top, as if somebody has drawn a line. Canada is there on the top. Seattle is at the bottom. So here like this is straight line, and then it comes like this. US. England is very small country. No need to give any shape. It's very small country. Such a small country ruled the whole world. And America is 3 times bigger than India, you know that. Itni choti si country. Achha. I am saying because drishta does not have a shape, it is all pervading. It's too much, Swamiji. My consciousness or I is all pervading. That means I am everywhere. No, you only was saying yes when I was saying. No, but I think I am inside the body. No, please remove this thought of what you feel. Feeling has no respect in Vedanta because feelings are quite illogical. I feel he is good. I feel this is real. I feel he is bad. I feel I am very low. फीलिंग को मार दो गोली. कोई मतलब ही नहीं है फीलिंग का. बोले बट आई एम इमोशनल पर्सन. यू कीप योर इमोशनल फॉर सम टाइम somewhere else. Now I ask you, there can be two all pervasives. Can there be two all pervasives? If there are two all pervasive, second all pervasive will limit the first all pervasive. And therefore there cannot be two consciousnesses. If there cannot be two consciousnesses, therefore there is only one consciousness. Next point. You can count which number is there. I have lost the count. 7th, 8th, 7th. Well, what again say? You said that this drishta is not having a shape. Yes. If it is not having a shape, therefore it is all pervasive. Yes, I said that. If it is all pervasive, बोले उनकी भी तो ऑल परवेजिव हो जाएगी, हमारी भी ऑल परवेजिव हो जाएगी, सबकी दृष्टि ऑल परवेजिव. इफ टू ऑल परवेजिवनेसेस आर देयर, टू मीन्स समथिंग शुड बी देयर टू डिफरेंशिएट इन बिटवीन. One finger end, then other finger starts. If this all pervasive will end, then it will not be all pervasive, it will have a shape. Hey. It will have a shape. बोले let it have a shape. अरे गड़बड़ कर रहे हो तुम तो. If it has a shape, it will become a part of gross body and subtle body. It will become any of the 5 elements then. बोले let it become 5 elements. If it will become 5 elements, then problem will be they are all inert. बोले why you are working so hard? Let us come. ठीक है, सब मान लेते हैं. Why you are working so hard? आप बोल दीजिए, मान लेंगे. इट इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन ऑफ बिलीविंग. बोले वाई? बिकॉज वी हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट प्रॉब्लम? आवर आई इज आइडेंटिफाइड आई एंड रॉन्ग आई. वी थिंक आई वॉज बॉर्न. वी थिंक आई विल डाई. वी थिंक आई एम रिलेटेड. नाउ यू टेल मी दिस पॉइंट. दिस कॉन्शियसनेस, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, विल बी डिटैच्ड और अटैच्ड. इट इज अटैचेबल और डिटैचेबल. Anything can be attached only when it is with part. This is one paper and this is another paper. I can attach it with a glue or with a pin. These two hands can be attached because there are two different hands. Mind can be attached. Consciousness is not attachable because it is not having holes and parts in it. I can attach this finger like this. This is, some people, there's a play also do like. But this consciousness cannot be attached because it is one. This is next point. Well, why? It is not, it cannot get attached. Why? If it gets attached, something can get attached only at a gross GB and SP level. This is a consciousness. Light does not, that which illumines cannot get attached. Because anything attaches, it modifies. And if it modifies, it will die. Therefore, consciousness is not attachable. And therefore, asanga, it is asanga. Next point. Oh, well, you will tell all the points today. Yes. Because I will not get you tomorrow. Bole, of not coming tomorrow, you are taking the revenge today. I tell you, this Vedanta is so interesting. If grace of God is there, then only you will hear and you will understand. And what we say, I am too attached. I cannot live without him. तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना, अब गाना गाओ आप. हाँ. Or if he is gone, I will also go. Or I will die. Or I am sad. Or I am devastated. Or I am shattered. Or I am very happy today. Today is my day. I am so happy I can't tell you. When Vedant hears that, now tell me, where do these statements stand? Shall I tell you? There is one stamp in India. Stamp is there. Somebody puts a wrong document, they put fake. हाँ भाई, फेक passports are there, visas are there. Last point. 8 point. 9 नंबर अच्छा है. नवरात्र चल रहा है, 9 पर ही रोक देंगे. If other comes, you can take that also. क्या बोला जाए? 9 पॉइंट क्या है? नाइन्थ है. अच्छा, आप 10 9th. This Atma is of the nature of bliss, not sorrow. नहीं भैया, कहाँ से sorrow? Why? I defined sorrow, you forgot. I defined sorrow, that sense of contraction in self is called sorrow. Somebody makes me small. Somebody made me feel very small. That is called sorrow. Sorrow is not loss of a person. Because of loss of a person, I feel I have become lost. उनके बिना हम तो बहुत कुछ भी नहीं हैं. हम छोटे हो गए उनके बिना. That person made me feel small in the party. I was in the party and they asked me, come, dance. What is that? Ballet dance? What is that? Huh? Ball dance is there. So he said, come, dance. Well, I don't know ball dance. He said, well, what age you are in? You don't know ball dance. Nothing you have to do. Just keep on doing like this. So there is nothing in ball dance. But there is no ball there. But still you can dance. You have to just hold both the hands, right? And both have to go like this. And you have to come swing like that. And the music will go, oh! So that is called the ball dance. You don't know, I don't know. I'm telling you frankly, I don't know. Come on, go down. You are slow. Hey, don't make me feel small. Who is all pervasive? How can it become small? And therefore, all the time joy is there. You know what is loving? When you see yourself in somebody, that is called love. Therefore, my child is there. Therefore, I am happy today. My second daughter is born today. This is my house. You feel yourself expanded with the new house. It is a bigger house. It has 5 bedrooms. Earlier was only 2. Only 1 ensuite was there. This is all have ensuite separately. Acha? Whose? Mine. Oh, congratulations. Thank you. I have put the name of the house also. Acha? What house is there? Parnakuti. So, Parnakuti means cottage of leaves. You have such a mansion you have made, and you have You have given the name Parnakuti. Well, I like this name. How do you like Swamiji? Oh, very good. Very good. आप ही का है सब. अरे हमारा तो कुछ भी नहीं इसमें, सब आप ही का. It's all yours. Come and stay sometimes. Very good room, sir. This room has good, window is there. The sunlight comes inside the room whole day. I don't like whole day. Acha, but I will put on the curtain if you don't like. This is swimming pool. You will swim? No, I don't like swimming. Neither I swim. Oh, we have a special badminton court. You play? No. I have mint, that's it. No badminton. So that is the. What kind of person you are? No, I don't play badminton. Okay. This is a treadmill is there. Treadmill. You like it? Yes. My house. Why? You see yourself in that. He's my guru. Why? I'm happy. Mere hai ye. She is my mother. This is my country. Therefore, somebody takes India, you are happy. My country. Meri country. When Vivekananda Swami came from America, he kissed and prostrated after the ship came. He missed so much. One which is all pervasive, where is the source of sorrow? And therefore it is of the nature of bliss. And therefore he will say, I am not happy, I am happiness. Big difference. Happy is a verb. Happiness is a noun. I hope you got all these 9 points about self or Atma. This is I, not some consciousness in some storeroom or in the books, or some Atma is there. It is not some Atma, some lost Atma, some soul. Soul word I am not using, it is a risky word. Soul word or spirit word. I don't know what people may mean by spirit word or soul word. Therefore, I don't use such words. Self word is still safer word. Atma is a safer word. With this meaning, one who lives or tries to live, he is called Vedanti or he is called a seeker. Only, but I slip, get up again. Sleeping is not a problem. Try to get back again. Again I slipped. Again you get up. This is called Vedantic living. Vedantic living is different than religious life. In religious life, you do something outside. In spiritual and Vedantic living, you correct yourself inside. Notional level correction about yourself is a spiritual life. You don't do anything outside. You don't do havan, you don't do puja, you don't do jap, you don't go to the temple, nothing you do outside. Inside, when you slip in your understanding, you repeat inside, logically. And you come back to living as consciousness. Well, then how will I act? You are not acting, you are actor only. You are not real acting. It is an actor that is doing there. I hope this is little clarity is there about the introduction to Vedanta. Achha? Therefore, saints are there. All the time they are in this mode only, not mood, mode. This is their background music. Outside they keep on working. They keep on laughing. They may cry. They may do big works. Pashyan Shanvan Sprishan Jagran Ashnan Gachwan Shwapan Shwasan. Their background music is this only. But you may not understand what is his background music. He may be angry, he may be sad, but inside he is not affected affected by his own moods also. He is using it but not being in it, into it. He is using it, but he is unaffected because he is this. Somebody may insult him, he is not affected because he knows I am not insultable. Nobody can touch me. How can he insult me? Because consciousness cannot be touched also. It is non-touchable. Somebody honors him. He is not honorable. He says, you can't give me honor. You can't give me. You can't make me bigger. I am biggest already. By your making bigger, I will not become big. He can't lose anything. So he lives in this kind of understanding. This is the crux of the meaning of the self, which we saw through the 3 bodies, 5 koshas and 3 jang avasthas.